Hey guys, this is day 8 of a series that I started on my channel Tuning Data. In this series, I am solving 100 business questions in SQL. So if you have not seen previous video, you can go through the link given on the I button. You can watch all the previous videos there. In today's question, I have increased some complexity level. So I hope you will enjoy while solving this question today. So let's open your PG admin and learn and practice together. So let's start today's question now. Hey guys, this is my PG admin here and this is day 8 of 100 business question series in SQL. And the question for today is compare monthly revenue growth by region for the year 2024 and identify the region with the highest average monthly growth. Okay, so this is the question that we have to solve today in this video, and let me show you the data that we have for today's question. So I have created this sales data table here. Let me show you the data inside this table. So like in sales data table, we have these 5 columns here like sale ID, region, and sale date, quantity, and unit price. Okay, so this is all about the data that we have for today's question. So guys, let's start the question now and select. Firstly, we are going to take region column, and then we are going to create a column for sale month. Okay, for that purpose, I'm going to use here date trunk. Okay, I'm going to take month here from sale date, okay, as sale month. Now I'm going to create a revenue column. For that purpose, I'm going to use a sum quantity multiply by unit price, okay, as total, not total, just take it revenue, okay, from sales data table, where like we have to show the monthly growth only from 2024. Okay, so that purpose I'm going to use here extract year from sale date is equal to 2024, and then group it by region and sale month, and let's run this query now. So as you can see here, I have created this table here with these 3 columns like region, sale month, and revenue. Okay, now I'm going to remove this time from this sale month column here. For that purpose, I'm going to use your cast. Okay, and let's take it as date, Okay, let's run this query again. As you can see, we have removed this time from this sale month column here. Now I'm going to create this as a temporary table. For that purpose, I'm going to use cities here with total revenue as this query, and now again use select here, and then we are going to take region and sale month, then revenue, and now we are going to create a column here which will show the previous month revenue. For that purpose, we are going to use window function lag here for the revenue, okay, and then over partition by, we want for each region and order by sale month, okay, as previous month revenue. Okay, so now it is all these columns we are taking from a total revenue temporary table, total revenue. Okay, so now let's run this query here. So as you can see, we have created this table which is showing the previous month revenue. Now again we are going to create it as a temporary table. For that purpose, we are going to use CTEs here. Let's give a comma here, and then take it as monthly growth as this query. Okay, so now we have to calculate monthly growth percentage. So let's start the query here. Select, again take here region and then sale month and revenue, and now here we are going to calculate the growth percentage. Okay, for that purpose we are going to use here case when uh, previous month revenue is not null and previous month revenue is not equal to 0, then um, now we are going to use a formula to calculate growth percentage here, like current month revenue and the previous month revenue, then divided by previous month revenue, then multiplied by 100. Okay, else null and has monthly growth percentage. Okay, from all we are taking it from this temperature, which is monthly growth. Okay, so let's run this query here. We get an error. Yeah, so as you can see here, we have calculated this monthly growth percentage. Let me round it down, round by two decimal number. So you can see here, we have calculated this monthly growth percentage here. Let's create it as a temporary table. The name is growth calculation. Okay, as, and then close the bracket here, and we have calculated this monthly growth percentage. Now we are going to the second part of the question, like we have to identify the region with the highest average monthly growth. Okay, so now let's start. So now we have calculated this monthly growth percentage here. Now we are going to solve this second part of this question, like we have to identify the region with the highest average monthly growth. Okay, so let's take a select region and then monthly growth percentage, no, average of monthly growth percentage is average growth monthly growth from growth calculation table. Group it by region and order by average monthly growth in descending order. So let's run this query here, and we get an error. Growth. Let me find the error here, guys. Let's run this query again. Yeah, then round it up. So guys, this is the output for today's question. Let me zoom it out and let me explain the output to you. As you can see here, the highest average monthly growth revenue is in the south region with 37.50, and the lowest average monthly growth revenue is in the west region with 18.64. So this is all about today's question, guys. Okay, so I hope you understand this question here. If you want to get all this data, you can go through the link given in description of this video. You will get all this link on my GitHub profile. If you want to know something about data analytics, SQL or Power BI, you can directly DM me on my LinkedIn profile. So let's wrap up this video here. Guys, this video will really put an impact in your SQL learning journey. If yes, please hit the like button, share with your friend and save for the future reference. I will meet you in the next video with the next question. Till then, goodbye.